Seymour! Superintendent, I was just stretching my calves on the windowsill. Isometric exercise. Care to join me?
Why is there smoke coming out of your oven, Seymour?
Oh, that isn't smoke. It's steam. Steam from the steamed clams we're having. Steamed clams.
Ooh.
Superintendent, I hope you're ready for mouth-watering hamburgers.
I thought we were having steamed clams.
No, I said steamed hams. That's what I call hamburgers.
You call hamburgers steamed hams?
Yes, it's a regional dialect.
What region?
Upstate New York.
Really? Well, I'm from Utica, and I never heard anyone use the phrase steamed hams.
Oh, not in Utica. No, it's an Albany expression.
I see. These hamburgers are quite similar to the ones they have at Krusty Burger.
Oh, no. Patented Skinner Burgers. Old family recipe.
For steamed hams.
Yes.
Yes, called steamed hams. By the fact that obvious rule.
You know, one thing I should... Excuse me for 1 second. Oh, well, that was wonderful. Good time was had by all. I'm pooped.
Yes, good Lord, what happened there?
Aurora Borealis?
Aurora Borealis. And someday this part of the country lies entirely within our nation.
Yes.
Magic?
No.
Seymour! The house is on fire!
No, Mother, it's just the Northern Lights.
Well, sorry, I don't see.